Are you frustrated because the law of attraction is not working for you? You set your intention, visualize your dream, and stay positive, but nothing seems to be changed. In today's video, I will break down exactly why the law of attraction might be failing you and how to fix it. So hi everyone, I am Vandana and welcome to my YouTube channel My Happiness Alloy, where we dive deep into the law of attraction knowledge in mindset shift and manifesting the life you deserve. If you ever felt you are doing everything right but still not seeing result, you are not alone, my friend. Many of people face the same challenge when they start their manifestation journey. So in today's video, I will uncover 3 points. First one is the biggest mistake people make with the law of attraction, and the second one is the hidden blockages that are keeping you stuck. And the third one is a simple step-by-step method to start seeing result fast. So stick around until the end of the video because I will share a game-changing tip that will transform your manifestation. Let's start with the mistake you might be making without even realizing it. Mistake number 1 is you are not clear on what you want. A lot of people think they are manifesting, but they are not clear about their desire. If you are saying, I want more money, the universe does not understand the meaning of more. So be specific and write down the exact figure. Remember that the clarity is the key. So solution for that is write down the exactly what you want in detail. For example, instead of more money, you have to write that I want 1 lakh in my bank till that day. Okay, 28th February, or be specific for the date also. The second mistake is that you are focusing on the lack instead of abundance. How? When you think about what you does not have, like stressing over the bill or feeling lonely, I have not a good relationship with others, I have no money, it means you are actually attracting more of the lack. So the solution of this problem is shift your focus by practicing gratitude. Every day, write down the three things you are grateful for, even it is very small. Write down what you have already. Okay, write down that you are how much grateful that whatever you have. Okay, third mistake is you are not taking action. Now, the most important thing is law of attraction is not about the sitting back and waiting for the magic. Many people does not realize that inspired action is the key part of the process. Actually, my suggestion for that is ask yourself, what is one small step I can take today towards my goal? The universe meet halfway when you show effort. आप effort दिखाओगे, universe आपको effort देगा, आपको chance देगा, opportunities देगा. Okay, these are the 3 mistakes we usually do in law of attraction. Okay, so now that we have covered the common mistake, let's talk about the what might be blockaging your manifestation. The first blockage is limiting belief. Do you ever hear a voice in your head saying, I am not good enough, or I do not deserve this? The limiting belief act like an invisible wall stopping your manifestation actually. So what one belief you have about yourself that might be holding you back? Write down it on the copy and write down your limiting belief and replace them with the empowering affirmation that I can do it, I can't do it. Replace it with I can do it, I am capable. For example, I will never be successful to I am capable of achieving great success. Okay, the second blockage is lack of emotional alignment. You might be say right affirmation, but if you do not feel them deeply, they would not work. Your emotion create your vibration and your vibration attract your reality. So practice visualization with a feeling. Close your eyes, imagine your dream life and let yourself feel the joy, excitement and gratitude as if it's already in your life. And if the third blockage is fear of letting go. Are you holding on too tightly the outcome? Sometimes we climbing, the more we blocking the flow of energy. It means हम आउटकम के लिए इतने डिजायर हो जाते हैं, इतने एफर्ट लगाने लगते हैं कि हमें समझ में ही नहीं आता कि कितना हम अपने ही ट्रस्ट को ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं. तो ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस इंस्टेंट ऑफ ऑब्सेसिंग ओवर. So trust the process instead of obsessing over when or how it will happen. Affirm every day that everything is unfolding perfectly for me. Everything is unfolding perfectly for me. I trust the universe and universe is working for me 24 hours. Okay. Now you understand the mistake and blockages. Here are the simple step-by-step method to kickstart your manifestation. So set a clear intention, write down your desire in specific detail. For example, I am so grateful to earning 1 lakh a month doing work I love by specific date. मैं उतना अर्न कर रही हूँ वो करके जिस काम करना मुझे पसंद है और इतने डेट तक मुझे 1 लाख मिल रहा है. ठीक है, इस टाइप का सेंटेंस बनाना है. सेकेंड वन इज विजुअलाइज डेली. स्पेंड 5 minutes, not more than that, each day in the morning. Visualize your goal as if it's already real. Add as much as emotion as possible. Third is practice gratitude. Every evening write down at least 3 things you are thankful for. Fourth one is take an inspired action. Break your goal into a small step and take action consistently. Fifth one is let go. Most important, trust the universe timing and detach from the outcome. Focus the feeling good in the present moment. Always be present in the present moment and focus on that only. Okay, so at the end of the video, here is the game changer I promised at the beginning, that stop asking when will it happen. Stop asking when will happen and start asking who do I need to become. Manifestation is all about aligning with a version of yourself who already has what you desire. Ask yourself, how does that version of me think, feel and act? Then start embodying those qualities today. मीन्स कि अगर आप वो अचीव करोगे तो आप कैसा बिहेव करोगे, उस फीलिंग को आप अभी से फील करना स्टार्ट करो, एक्ट करना स्टार्ट करो. अगर आप आईएएस बनना चाहते हो, पीसीएस करना चाहते हो, आप एक बड़े ऑफिसर बनना चाहते हो, स्पीकर बनना चाहते हो, अभी से वैसे रिएक्ट करना स्टार्ट करो जैसे कि आप ऑलरेडी हो. वैसे बिहेव करो, वैसे बॉडी लैंग्वेज लाओ, वैसे बोलो, उस फीलिंग को जियो, तब जाके आप रियलिटी में वो चीज को अचीव कर पाएंगे. If this video has helped you, give it thumbs up and subscribe for more law of attraction tips. Comment below what's your biggest takeaway from this video, or share one blockages you have ready to release your limiting belief. Let's manifest together, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.